Hey, what's up, guys? So today I did okay. The one stock that really got me was TAL, TAL. So what I did here was the stock has been up all day, so I was a little short biased thinking that it was going to reverse. So I started to take a short here when it looked like it was coming down. I set my stop at the previous high, which is around this level, 51.52-ish. I got stopped out. Then it dropped, and I was thinking, okay, now it's gonna go down. So I went short again, pretty much the same area, 51.55. Target price was down to VWAP, which was like 50.50 at the time. Got stopped out again, and then I went short again. This time I took some profit as it hit this SMA. And then on the way up, I got out at break even. So that didn't work. And then the last try I did was I went short once more because I saw that it never broke this 51.60 level. And then I basically set that as my stop loss. So I went short here with a 5-cent stop loss. But of course, I set a range order. So it activates at market price. So I got out at 51.65. But that was good to have a stop loss because look what happened. I was wrong. And if I didn't have a stop loss, this jumped all the way up to 52. Like, it literally just jumped. It didn't take time to slowly move up or whatnot within this 1 minute bar. It just jumped. So very good that I got stopped out here, and then I didn't play it again. I think this stock is just going to trend up all day. So I've lost enough money on this. So that's TAL. Pets, I took it long here. Pet was down all day. My profit target was VWAP, but it kind of almost made it, didn't really make it on the way down. I just got out completely because I didn't know how far it would drop. Sometimes it would just fail. It did hold this level, and then eventually it made VWAP and it broke past it. But that's okay. I made money on it, so that was fine. And then PTON was my other good play as well. I think this was going to reverse back up to VWAP. I went long. That didn't happen, and then I got stopped out. And the reason why I set this 31.95, 32. I think this was, I set this because this was at the, I guess, the low of this bar here. I didn't really know where to set my stop loss. I can't set it all the way down here. That would be too far down. So I set it at the low of this, which I think corresponded to 31.96 or 95, probably 95. Oh, no, wait, hold on. This is this. So this was 32. I think 32 was my stop loss. So because it was 32.10 that I got in, 32.10 cents. Yeah. So it's probably 32 because that's where the low of this is. So it didn't really happen. It dropped. I got stopped out, and then it consolidated around this area for quite a bit. And then when it broke past this SMA, I went long again. Again, profit target is up here. But I started to scale out because I saw it slow down. It sort of started consolidating this area. So I started scaling out. When it popped, I scaled out some more. And then when it collapsed, I just got out the remainder there. And so that was it. That was my play for PTON. And then UAL is similar to TAL. It stopped me out a few times. I went... turns out I went long all the way up here. So, and again, another good lesson on being stopped out. So I thought this was going to reverse back up to VWAP at this level. Went long. It did pop up. I didn't get out. And then on the way back down, I got stopped out. And notice my stop loss was at the loss of this consolidation area. So it lost it, and I got stopped out. And then I didn't trade it. I was trading the other stuff. And then it just basically wound all the way down to here. This is when I went back long on the stock. So went in long, got stopped out, long, got stopped out, long. This time, again, VWAP, but on the way up, I got out some, and then when I started consolidating, I got out pretty much the remainder, and then I moved my stop loss up to the loss of 85 because that's below both of these EMAs, and so that was my stop loss. Looks like it may go back up again. But you know what? I'm not going to play it. I mean, I had a good day. I'm not going to play it. So that's it. There may be a chance it'll get back up to this level, maybe even go back up to VWAP. The stock goes down 5%, still down 5%. But yeah, no, I don't want to get chopped up. I'm done. Anyway, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Okay? All right, thanks.